YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here, and today we are going to change the transmission fluid in the Ford Mustang manual transmission. First thing you want to do is get your vehicle jacked up and as level as you possibly can get it. And you want to locate what type of fluid you need to use. This transmission says use Dexron III. I know there's a Ford memo that says that Mercon and Mercon V, in other words, you can use Mercon V for Mercon. I don't know about using Mercon V for the Dexron III. But the process is pretty straightforward. You want to locate your fill plug and your drain plug. Open them up. I'd open up the fill plug first to make sure it opens. Then your drain plug. Fluid will drain out. Close up the drain plug and then pump the fluid back into the fill plug. So the drain plug faces the passenger side, the fill plug faces the driver's side. Then you want to replace the drain plug once it's all drained out. Start it by hand so you know that it's not cross-threaded. And then once it starts getting where you can't turn it, then go ahead and torque it down with the wrench. To refill, you're going to need one of these pumps that you put on the bottle. Now I'm using Mercon V. Like I said, the transmission itself says to use Dexron III, which is a very old fluid. Obviously this car's an 04 and this is 2018. So everything I've read suggests that the Mercon V is acceptable replacement. So I'm going to run with it. This car doesn't get driven many miles anyway, so it's probably not that big of a deal, but obviously you want to use whatever your car calls for. And obviously substituting a different fluid, do it at your own risk. So you just pump until it fills up. Now you want to check each year model and transmission is slightly different. So mine, it's supposed to fill basically until it's kind of dripping out of the fill hole. Some of the other year models, it's below the fill hole. So you want to check what yours is calling for and do what yours is calling for. So mine is full. Just going to let all that drip back down into the drain pan, and then I'll replace the fill plug and I'll be done. So mine took about 3 3/4 quarts, just to give you an idea. I know they always tell you the fill capacity in pints and stuff, which then requires you to do translation. So it's roughly 3 3/4 quarts. So what I noticed, I changed the transmission fluid the other day and I put the Mercon V in there, and it seems to shift a whole lot better. I mean, obviously the fluid that came out was not bad by any stretch of the imagination. Probably could have put it in another car, but it seems like the Dexron III is not near as good as the Mercon V as far as feel and shifts and stuff. I had a lot of clunky shifts with the Dexron in there. So with the Mercon, it's very smooth. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, appreciate a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe, and please tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.